up, guys? Welcome back to LJ Gamers. This is part 2 of Escape School Obby. Leader can't play, so I'm just back here again with crew. And if you didn't watch part 1, go watch that so that it doesn't seem weird. Okay, crew, let's go. Okay, I think... Where do we have to go? These are pretty easy jumps. There's no door.
The sandwich is, like, you can be on it.
Oh.
Ladder.
And a ladder. Oh, I almost fell off the sandwich.
Okay, is this a tightrope? I think you can... No, I don't want to risk it.
I'm gonna go. Oh, jeez, I died. Oh my gosh. Wait, where am I? Did it glitch? Crew, I think it glitched.
Wait, where are you?
I spawned...
It says you're on stage 12.
Oh my gosh. It glitched. Okay, I'm coming back down. Where are you? Oh, I'm back at the sandwich place.
Okay, I'm doing this gum.
Okay. So I think it's gonna keep me spawned there though.
It's still... Hold on, let me check the thing.
It still says I'm stage 12. That's weird. Okay, I'm just gonna jump. Crew, where are you?
I'm almost done with the gum.
Oh, wait, I'm coming on the condiments. Okay, I'm at the gum stage. Oh, it's a tightrope?
Yeah. You can make the first jump. I don't think you can make the second one though.
Okay, I won't. Can you make the third? I'm not gonna risk it.
Yeah.
You probably could though.
Also, I don't know if you have to up here. It's like glass, or maybe it's not. So like, you have to jump on the checkpoint and then go to the curtain. So that's what I'm gonna try to do.
I'm gonna say it's glass. I don't even need to get the checkpoints because my refrigerator has stuff like that. Yeah, I think it is. Okay, why are the eggshells like teeth? No, I died, crew. It's taking me all the way back up.
Oh wait, no, you're gonna spawn right here, I think. Yeah,
oh, yay. Okay.
This way looks better.
Okay, I'm gonna go this way.
I'm gonna have to jump over.
And jump and jump and jump. Okay, I made it.
No, so did I. Clean.
You made it?
Yeah.
Okay,
ladder.
Ladder.
Oh, I just spawned up here.
What?
Wait, we're back in the...
Oh!
What?
Wait, the door's unlocked here. Remember last time it was locked? It's unlocked now. Okay, now I can get checkpoints. Wow, that's one giant hole. This math book... This maths book gave us numbers to jump on. Good grammar, guy. Or what's his name? Max? Oh, jeez.
I don't know. I'm gonna call him Afro Guy.
I think his name is Max.
Whatever.
Oh, where the heck am I? Oh, okay. This Max.
Okay, so it says watch out for the giant duck, and oh my! Right, there's a giant duck. A giant duck just fell, and apple borders.
Yeah, crew, where are you? Oh my god!
Run.
Oh no, it's doing that screen glitch to me. Okay, apple's coming down. Rubber duck!
Duck! Run!
I think we need to go over here now.
I don't know. I'm staying in the middle.
Oh, apple! Duck!
Run!
Oh, crap! No!
Please don't die. Please don't fall. Oh! A giant duck! Oh my god! Oh, the apple fell on me!
You died? Crew,
the apple fell on me!
Crew, I was walking up the hill and your body parts just came flying down.
Oh my god. What? How? That was funny. Giant duck again.
I'm almost to the top.
Okay. I think I'm going on the right. Okay, yeah.
Crew, I made it. A duck.
Okay. Almost there.
I see you coming up.
Tell me what's falling.
Okay. Duck!
Okay.
Apple!
Okay,
Duck should be coming next, so stay to the left. For you, it's the left.
Yes.
Then.
No. Don't fall. Don't fall. Please don't fall. Okay.
Okay, we made it. Let's go. Let's go.
Okay, get over this PE course. The coach has coated the floor with poisonous substance.
Okay, he needs to be fired. This whole school needs to be burnt down. Like, what is happening?
Well, it already is kind of burning since the floor is literally lava.
This PE teacher sucks. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm gone. I am officially gone. Are you coming? Did you die?
No, I'm right
Okay,
here.
nice. Okay.
So climb up.
Is that Calvin? Is your dog barking?
Yeah, it's so our cousins are over and they have a dog and my dog completely hates that dog.
Oh, nice. Good for him.
Are these hurdles? I walked on one and it's not killing me.
I think it's because the front of them hurts you.
Okay, go.
Oh, why are there rocks attached? What are these?
Oh, we're on
A rock wall.
rock wall.
That's cool. Okay, now we have to go down.
What are these?
I'm not good at going down on obbies or anything. Okay. Okay, I made it.
Okay, me too.
Okay,
Is there a checkpoint?
Exit.
We made it.
One
One
of these.
lockers has a secret passageway. Check all the bottom ones.
I'm checking
Oh,
top.
found it. It's this white one.
Where?
It's white on the right side.
What?
It's white. You can totally see it, right?
White. Is it a top one or a bottom?
It's the top one.
Is it like the first one?
It's, I think, the last one. I wasn't really sure. I didn't look, but I just went through it.
So not that one. Oh my gosh, I am blind. Yes, it's this one. I made it. Crew.
Okay, get the checkpoint.
Checkpoint. Down
No,
here.
I just get freaking gum again. I hate gum.
Do not stick gum under the tables. I hate when people do that.
Skip to this one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Ruler.
Oh,
Guys,
please.
tell me down in the comment section if you're excited or not excited for school. I'm kind of both. I don't really like school though, but
Excited for friends, but not excited for
the learning part.
more of this.
Are these straws?
We're in like the lunchroom or something. There's bagels, gum.
Oh, no wonder there's gum. Ugh, under the tables. Okay, climb up. I think we have to climb up the pencil. Okay, well, now we're on top of. There's an iPhone.
Okay.
Tell me what's better.
Dartboard.
A dartboard. Android or iPhone? Crew, Android or iPhone?
iPhone.
Yeah. But I heard Android is more popular. Okay, I passed the Doritos part.
Okay, I'm there too. Wait.
Oh,
What happened?
I just jumped down and I landed here.
Wait, what happened?
What the heck?
Oh, what?
Crew.
Yeah, we're back.
Okay, I'm at the science class.
Ooh, okay.
Okay, I'm jumping.
Whoa. What is that? It looks like a sun or
It's
something.
an orb. Oh, jeez, I died into the toxic waste.
That looks like a toxic acid portal or something.
Okay, I am back. Did you
Oh,
die?
wait.
Oh
Yeah,
no, I
died
see
up
you're
on
alive.
the tightrope.
You
Hurts
did?
still. No, I didn't. I'm almost there.
Okay, I am on the tightrope. It just got skinnier.
Yeah.
Okay,
Oh.
I am still going on the tightrope.
No! I fell on the toxic. We're almost there, Jackson. People are on 29 and we're at 27.
Oh.
And, like, I don't see them going to 30.
No, I died! The toxic waste killed me! Oh no. Oh no.
Okay.
I'm an idiot.
There's the oh, okay. Hold on, Jackson. I'm almost to the exit. Yes, I'm on stage 28.
Wait, crew, wait for me.
I am.
Okay, so I'm gonna go. Oh, jeez. I think I have to go back up here.
Yeah, that way.
Here.
Then this one.
Here. Okay, I made it. Let's go.
Okay, get the checkpoint.
Okay, got the checkpoint.
Laser. Wait, what? You're not tall enough for the laser. To go under it.
How?
Like, yeah, I'm as tall as. Hold on, can I hop over it? Oh, you have to jump over it. They're really close together. Okay.
Okay.
Almost here, Jackson. Okay. Good again. Oh, I made it.
I died! I forgot you have to jump over the tall ones.
Yeah, it's actually really hard. The last two are like really skinny. They're really close together.
Oh,
Oh,
geez.
wait.
Oh my gosh. I'm
Yeah,
just gonna.
they're really skinny.
No!
It's so skinny.
How do you do that?
Oh, Jackson.
What? I died.
This guy made more games. Escape the bowling alley, escape the hotel, and dungeon escape.
Oh, maybe we should make videos on that sometime else.
It does say coming soon though, but maybe they are.
I kind of enjoy this.
Fat Paps is really good.
Subscribe. Oh, yeah, he'll be in the link in the description.
This is a shop portal.
Crew, how do you jump in between those?
I don't know. Maybe because I'm on mobile.
Oh my gosh. I don't think I'm ever gonna get this.
Don't think like that.
It's the only way. It is the only way. Okay.
Almost. What?
I made it. I mean, no, I didn't make it. Sorry.
Hold on. Let me try. Like again.
Okay. But did you even get the next checkpoint?
There's no other checkpoint.
Oh. So is it the exit?
Yeah.
Oh, I made it in between those.
Nice. Hit the jump, Jackson.
Oh, I did it!
Okay, I'm almost there. Oh, 2 in a row. Oh,
Crew, no! I don't.
Wait, no, Jackson, wait for me.
Okay, I think that's the end.
I 100% will get it next time.
I hope.
Okay, I really regret
Crew,
doing that.
why did you try again? Why?
I don't know, because I was waiting for you.
Oh my gosh.
Hi, crew.
No, my toes. Okay, this time, I 100% no. Even though I said that 99.9% sure.
Oh, we are going. Come on, crew. Oh my.
Okay.
Crew, no!
What do you mean?
Oh my gosh, crew. Oh my gosh, come on.
Okay. Maybe.
Crew, do you regret trying again?
Yeah. I literally went, what's it called? Reset. And then right when I got to the checkpoint, like that checkpoint, you were over here.
Crew, no! Crew, no!
We want you.
Crew, you have 1 more minute.
Okay. One more time.
Okay.
Crew, you have to look at something.
What is it?
Come here. Come here.
Why?
It's in Roblox. Come here.
No,
Please.
I'm playing this.
It's
Okay.
Okay, crew. Okay, guys. Well, we're gonna have to end it there. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the notification bell, and hit that like button. And we'll see you next time. Bye.